Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 8th of June. The RBNZ is likely to remain on hold. During the Asian morning Thursday, the RBNZ will meet to decide on interest rates, and expectations are for officials to stand pat. Even though we believe that low two-year inflation expectations are probably the bank's biggest concern and may trigger further near-term rate cuts, we agree that officials are likely to hold their fire at this gathering. Since April's meeting, not much has changed in the nation's economic outlook to justify an immediate cut. More importantly, we believe that the RBNZ may want to have a look at the first quarter CPI print due to be released in July before taking further action. Most importantly, we believe that the country's elevated housing prices are another reason of concern for the bank. High home prices place limitations on officials' ability to cut rates, as lower rates could inflate prices even further and risk financial stability. Therefore, we believe that policymakers may have to announce macroprudential measures aimed at curbing rising housing prices before implementing any further rate cuts. However, market expectations point to a close call, so New Zealand dollar US dollar could extend its recent gains on a decision to stand pat. If the nation's two-year inflation expectations, which are released on the 2nd of August, continue to linger near current low levels, we believe that further rate cuts may be on the cards this year, perhaps as early as the August gathering. As for the rest of the events, during the European Day we get a UK industrial production for April, and expectations are for industrial output to have stagnated on a monthly basis. The forecast is supported by the manufacturing PMI for April, which dipped into the contractionary territory for the first time in 3 years. Nevertheless, given that the EU referendum is just a few weeks away, we believe that sterling is likely to remain less sensitive to incoming data and more sensitive to fresh polls. As a result, we expect no major reaction from the pound at this release. From the US, we get the job opening and labor turnover survey for April, and the forecast is for a slight decline in the number of job openings. In Canada, housing starts for May and building permits for April are due to be released, but neither of these events is usually a major market mover. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.